Okay, so we've shown you how to do the small dice of the onion. Now we're going to show you how to do a small dice of a carrot and the celery. So with the celery, again, I like to hold the celery and just make nice even slices, as so, and it's still connected. That way when you come down to this end, again using your fingers as a guide, moving your hand back as you go, we'll have nice small dice. Now we'll go on to the carrot. Now again, because this is round and it's going to move around on your cutting board, you want to give yourself a nice even surface to cut on. So we'll take the ends off the carrot, we'll cut a nice working piece, and then we'll square it up on one side. Now it's not going to move and roll around, so we're safer and it's a little bit easier to work with. So again, we'll take this side up. Now with the carrot, you want to make nice uniform cuts, just like that, and now you can make your cuts. Now this cut you would refer to as a baton, a French culinary term for that. It's about 2 inches, roughly by 2 inches long, roughly by a quarter of an inch by a quarter of an inch. Now again, we'll take those, turn them sideways, there we go, nice even dice. Now this is great. I think the small dice is great for when you're going to make a nice soup, like say a vegetable minestrone or something as such, because you're demonstrating, you're showing the knife skills of the dish. It's a simple soup, but when you have nice vegetable cuts and they're all uniform and nice, they're going to cook evenly, but they're also going to look great.